Welcome to Cosine. When you log in, you land on the Home tab, the fastest way to get started. Here you can do a couple of things. First, you can fire off a task directly by tapping a request here, or second, you can revisit all tasks that you've done. Let's try a quick example. You could type add a login button to the nav bar and then hit just space, or you could do something more specific, like refactor the payment handler to use a single wait. Cosine will then run the task on your selected code base. But let's go back. Here is an old task that I did. Let's click on it. I can jump back in and ask follow-up questions at the bottom. There are also a few more options. The run-on menu lets you decide where Cosine should work. It could be locally on the cloud, which is what currently I was doing. But you can also click on the new CLI session, and this is our newest feature. You can run this either on macOS or Linux. You will also notice that we have two modes: Quick and Think. Let's jump into the docs and I will show you exactly what these are. View Quick as a lean, turbocharged reasoning path, perfect for low complexity requests. View Think as a comprehensive multi-step reasoning engine with hiring reasoning, built for high complexity tasks. Let's return back to Cosine. Here you can select repo and check the drop down. Also here you can direct Cosine to focus on a specific branch like Dev, or leave it on main and it will have access to your full code base. You can also insert tickets from tools like Jira and Linear by copy-pasting them into the prompt post, or you can check something else. Click on the plus symbol and then on the insert ticket. If you have connected, for example, your GitHub, you should be able to find all your tickets here. You will notice some other options like insert file, search code, upload image, and options, but some of these are only available in the context of a workspace. Give it a try and let us know what you build.